In Fullscript, you can add patients individually or with the import tool. To add one individually, from the Patients page, click Create Patient. Then fill out the required fields. Choose whether to send a welcome email and then click Create Patient. The patient profiles show key details at a glance. On the left, you'll see demographics, conditions, allergies, and product preferences. Then on the right, you can view their labs as well as any supplements that they're currently taking. When you're ready, select Build Plan to start recommending the right products for your patient. Search for a product or ingredient. Use the filters to narrow your results. Then when you find the product you're looking for, click Add to Plan. When you're done, click Review Plan. Now you can add a personalized message, confirm dosage and duration. Then click Send to Patient. Your patient will then receive an email notification and be able to see the plan in their online account or mobile app. Here, they can review any messages or notes, dosage instructions, and recommended products before checking out. Back in the patient's profile, you'll find labs, active plans, past plans, and orders all in one place.